Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, now the gold is trading at a level of $2045.44. This is the level we have seen the prices gold is trading at. Okay, there are three similar patterns are formed. Okay, and these similar patterns are from 2012 to 2020. This is a 2 year pattern, eight month pattern, and for about 5 or 6 months pattern. The similar patterns are forming. What is the similarities? And I'm keep repeating in most of the video that whenever it is hitting high, a fall is coming, then a swing is forming. That is where it is going upside. Okay, and this level I have already explained you that once started sustaining this level, it will touch this particular level and a bounce back will come. Okay, you can check my 1 or 2 years videos where I've categorically told you that there is a chances that it will touch this level, and I've given that there is a buy situation coming at from this level and a fall will come as soon as it touches this level. After that there is a continuous upside. See, similarities are formed. Okay, and as soon as it started coming a level of around $1933, I have told you that it will cross a level of around this particular high, and this time also I have told you this. Okay, that it will cross this level, and now also there is a chances that as soon as started sustaining a level of around 2033, now it is above that level, a further upside movement we can see, and there is a higher chances that it can touch a level of $2145, and if it sustain above that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so there is a clear indication that there is a price, the price is started going upside, and this pattern is also supporting it. Okay, and we have seen that there will be an election in 2024, so chances can be high we can see a good volatility in the price of gold. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, there is a high chances for this particular week we have seen a red candle is forming. Okay, and probability is higher that if the price started going above a level of $2073, a further upside movement we can see. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will go towards a level of $2050. Okay, and once the price started sustaining over that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and a probability of going towards a level of around 2070. After 2050 we can see a level of $2070, which is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high once started sustaining over 2070 we can see a level of $2077. Okay, and if started going above that level, a level of around 2077, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of around $2083. Okay, and once started going above 2083, a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2090. Okay, and if the price started going above 2090, a further upside movement we can see, and from there a probability of going towards $2145. As soon as started sustaining of $2145, chances will be very high we can see it will move further upside $2145, and once started going above this level, of further upside movement we can see, and then there will be higher chances because this is an all-time high, so chances of crossing a further upside we can see, and then there is a probability that it can touch a level of 2200 also, and then a further upside movement we can see. Now understand something, market is uncertain. Okay, as you know that market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL. If you are keeping your SL, then your capital will also be saved, and you can take large number of trades. If you are taking large number of trade with calculative risk, then you will be making a good profit. Once you are in profit, always try to trail your SL. Okay, trailing your SL will save your profit. If you can save your profit, your risk capability will increase, and you can make a good profit also in the future. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down towards a level of around $27. Okay, if the price started moving below that level, we will see it will fall further down towards a level of 2024. If the price fall below a level of 2027, if the price started moving below this level, the next support coming at a level of $2013, and from there a level of $2007. Okay, if the price started moving below level 2007, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $1995, and from there a level of around 1983. Keep that in mind that as soon as started moving below a level of $2007, we will see it will fall further down, and it probability of touching 1995 will be there, and from there a probability of going towards a level of $1988. Okay, if you look at this particular trend also, after 1980 there is clear pattern forming. So chances can be high that as soon as it started going below a level of 20.07, it will touch a level of $88 and $1988. From there a level of 1975, and if started going below 1975, a further downfall we can see towards 1963 and then a further low. Okay, keep that in mind that as soon as started going below a level of $20.07, a further fall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me or given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.